Posted by you/Kororo. Had a shitty argument today. Had a stupid argument today. I was driving in a roundabout on my way to get out of it until a driver cut off from the inside of the roundabout and cut me off. Got pissed and honked, and saw the driver speed at 150 in a 90 zone. When 2 kilometers farther I saw him do the exact same thing. I thought, what a piece of shit. Until I end up seeing him park at the baker I was going to. I give a little sting eye. And OFC when I met the guy in the shop, I went asking all that just for bread. The guys, I would say 25, preppy type, answered super aggressively, what? What's your problem? I did something I would never do. I'm 38, out of 2, the Joker type. I'm waiting for you outside, went back at his car, took off my glasses and wedding band, waited for that idiot. The guy starting barking about me having nothing better to do, me following him, making him speed, having to go to the hospital. I ended up shouting and making him apologize. He barely said sorry, and he snapped a picture of my car before leaving. 1/ if he reaches out to buy my car, should I overcharge him? Kidding. 2/ does this assimilate to road rage to you guys? I notice lately I get more often in those arguments every couple of months, while I usually tended to let this go, to know why. Posted by you/anchovy_boy445. Backing in my driveway equals cursing/yelling/beeping and throwing stuff at my car. I live on a pretty busy two-way street in NYC, Staten Island, so not Manhattan-type street, and my driveway is not too far after a traffic light where 2 other stop signs also feed traffic, and so backing into my driveway is always a challenge. Posted by you/Garrick56. Some people are way too impatient. I don't have a video or pics to prove this, as I don't own a dashcam. So I was on my way to work. This road had a limit of 35, I was going 5 over, and this douche nozzle was tailgating me. I pay him no mind, and the moment he's able to pass he gets out in front of me. I see no problem with this, as if he's in a hurry, it's not my fault. But he turns on his interior lights to show me he is flipping me off. Again, don't pay him any mind. When the next intersection comes, while the light is still green, he slows to a complete stop to teach me a lesson, I suppose, but I just hit my blinker, get in the next lane and keep going. The moment I do this he blares his horn, and hits the gas hard enough to squeal his tires and turns illegally. I don't know what you expected, buddy. I should mention that I was not camping the lane or gatekeeping him. I've tried everything imaginable to avoid idiots and conflicts when backing in, and my current method is to turn on my hazards a few houses down and slow down, then turn on my right blinker to indicate I'm backing into the driveway on my right and angle the front of my car to the left so they can see that I'm backing in, and turn on my reverse lights. Some people still choose to either pull up on my bumper or try to squeeze around me going into head-on traffic and beep/curse/yell. Today, this guy was tailgating me and ignored my hazards, brakes, and blinker, and then was too impatient and upset that he had to back up and threw his cup full of some yellow liquid which hit the hood of my car as he proceeded to drive away quickly. There's nowhere close to my house that I could pull over, and I can't really pull in because backing out on my street would be asking for an accident. I have a front and rear dash cam, so I pulled back out of my driveway and followed close enough to get their plate and then went back home. They sped off and ran a red light, so I guess they were scared their action might have a consequence. I don't understand these people and feel so powerless because it feels unavoidable and there's nothing I can do about what they do. I've even had a bus driver still in uniform in his personal vehicle purposefully pull up to my bumper and then laugh at me until I got out of my car twice to say something and they refused to move. Is it just city people?